shining bright. Diamonds dancing in the night. Ferrari parked under moonlight. Living fast but feeling right. My bay wave, champagne rain, golden.
Guys, we're on a roll today. Going to another meet. It's crazy. Don't typically do this, but we have a lot of time right now on our hands, so we're gonna go get it, man. We're gonna go get it. This shit's freaking packed, dude. Woo! So many people out here today. It's a Sunday night too, man. It's a Sunday night. All the folks out. This guy's on live. Crazy. Everyone's down the Hellcat. A lot of people here, man. A lot of people here. What's up, man? What's up, man? Yeah.
You verified. Z06, let me hear it. Let me hear it, though.
You wanna hear it? Hold on, hold on. Guys, this is insane. This is insane. Totally, bro. What did I tell you?
For it not to get shut down, it's crazy.
It's gonna get shut down sometime.
You think so?
Yeah, well, it always does. We'll just see.
If there's not enough customers, then it's gonna shut down.
Yeah. Bro, I ripped the shit out of my car and landed.
I did too. My intake temperature started climbing.
I'm a little nervous parking right here, but it's the only parking spot I can find. Found the spot. Insane. Insane, insane. We got kids out here. The Yodi out here. Hellcat truck swap. The Yodis. More Hellcats. Crazy. Bro, this shit's insane, man. I saw the truck yesterday. BMW, Corvettes. F-150s, about almost everything here, man. Under the sun, bikers right here in the middle. I haven't looked over here yet. Over here, let's go over here. TRXs. What the? Mustang here. Hellcat, wannabe, I guess. Oh, we got wait. Got this Corvette over here. Another Corvette here. Another one. God, this shit's insane. Turbo Beamer. My car's right here, guys. This meet's kind of crazy, chaotic. Nothing. I don't usually come to these meets, but I have some time today, and then we're gonna do some content, guys. Oh, okay, yeah. I was trying to get here early, but my buddy needed some gas.
Yeah.
So I was like,
So my boy has the blue one, and I have the red one.
oh,
But
sure.
I haven't done much to it, bro. Like I said, I haven't had it that long. Right
Sorry?
now, I just got
Okay.
wheels, the spoiler, that's it.
Did it come with the wheels?
No.
Oh, shit,
it
badass.
came with the chrome.
Okay,
I
that's
might
good.
put them back on though.
Oh, the I think the stars.
The stars.
Yeah, my brother-in-law has this color. That's this color.
For his C7 or for the...
For C7. Late silver. We got the Grand Sport boosted. Woo! They were telling me yesterday. Badass. haven't seen one of these in a while. This one here, guys, this is back to the 2000s. You got the AEM. This is like Fast and Furious right here, guys. Freaking clean. It's a manual too. Crazy. Yeah. BMW. Some fast Yodis here.
I'm in my belly shining bright, diamonds dancing in the night, Ferrari parked under moonlight, living fast but feeling right. My bed wave, champagne rain, golden order, no more pain. Every second ultra prime, luxury written in time.
This is
From the color,
showroom quality, bro.
perfect, bro.
The seats,
Everything.
oh yeah, especially, I want these on my Mustang.
The lip.
This, like this. Yeah. Look at the seats, bro.
What's up, Tanks? Appreciate you. Appreciate you. Tanks going crazy on the go.
What's up, man? What's up, bro? What's up? It got packed. We got here just on time.
That's the chrome one with the Hellcat swap, huh?
Yeah.
All right.
Dang, dude. Oh, let's see. You think it's gonna peel out or what?
I think so. Holy shit.
Let's see. Spinning them.
Shit.
Just spinning them, bro. Shit. Badass. Oh, you got some coilovers on there too. Badass, dude. Shit, see, that's pretty cool, man. Big tire car, man. Big tire car. It's a Whipple. Pretty nice, man. Got another one over here. I got a Shelby, badass. Nice B-locks. Shit, badass. Pretty cool, man. Alright. BMW. We got Cat Eye. We saw this one yesterday, man. Fucking freaking sick. Good shout out to the homie over there, man. Badass C6. So TRX. F-150. Well, Stingray Corvettes. Alright guys, heading out. The Hamit's getting kind of bad, so I mean kind of crazy, not bad, it's just crazy. So we're gonna head out. Make sure before I head out. Car is looking good. Cool, okay. Car is looking good. Alright, bet. Cut mine on Thursday.
Aww, his unc. He's a hot uncle.
Look how light his car is turning, bro. It's crazy. Appreciate it, bro. Been doing a lot of labor to it. A lot of love and labor.
So cute.
Except for this part here. All right, so when I was doing the manifold swap, this clip, I lost it. And so I zip tied it.
Yes.
And last night I found it in the driveway. It fell out again.
What the heck?
So this part right here, guys, it goes in. I don't want to lose it again, but it goes right here. Right here. So if I lift this up, it'll come right out.
Aw, you're surging again.
So I don't think so, but that's what's causing the. It shouldn't be like that easy to take off. And it locks into place like this one right here. See how if I pull on this, it doesn't come out
It's
because it's locked
broken?
in. No, it just slipped out.
That's weird.
Yeah, my rusty ass.
Dang, don't get cut by those.
Hopefully not.
You get to.
I want to cut the.
Oh,
Cut it up. That's what I was holding in place, guys.
zip tie.
Zip tie.
It's alright.
This is supposed to be like that,
It's loose.
and supposed to be snaked in here.
See you on the next one.
It's actually still on the ground this time. Okay, I'm just gonna put it right here and just put it on. It actually fell down. I heard it fall down.
Yeah, I heard it fall. That's funny.
I see.
Can you reach it? Can he reach it?
Ah.
He got it. VA volt flexible.
Because all these lines are always kind of hard to see where it's at. And I'm burning my hands too. It's okay.
Is it hot?
Oh, locked in.
Let's go. Oh my gosh, my ears. I was a little too close.
Yeah, I need to put the clutch in when I turn it off because it don't make that noise.
The
Yeah,
what does that
it's
mean?
it's the torque tube trying to catch up with the motor. Yeah, I know.
Guys, I got red scratch marks because I think I had a severe allergic reaction last night. I ate shrimp and crawfish.
And she has a shrimp right there. She almost died.
I almost died. Do you
Oh,
see the
that's bad,
scratches?
bro, yeah.
Look, I think you can see some on my back.
Yeah, you gotta stop eating that kind of stuff, bro.
Yeah, I almost died. Anyways, it's my time to go. I want to hear my car.
Okay. With both remotes in there?
Yeah. Why would I drive it with the C7 remote? This guy, he thinks he's exclusive. Bro, watch the car, bro.
You want me to do any more on that side?
Yes. And then do a little rev. I've never heard my car. It's just.
Sounds dirty, bro. It's low, bro.
Hell yeah, it is.
And I'm like, where's the clutch at?
Whatever. Okay, that's not bad. That's not bad.
I had to hold the clutch in to start my car.
Aye. Bro, just pretend there's a clutch in there.
Bro, it's definitely newer. Definitely a lot newer than my car.
It's just clean inside. That's all it is.
Yeah.
AC works.
AC works.
Super cool. Super, super, super cool.
Get copyrighted.
Guys, it's already warmed up.
Oh, it is warmed up. Okay, do you want me to do it already?
Okay, hold on. Okay, go for it. Dang. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my god! Oh my god! That's sick! Guys, not bad, guys, not bad, not
I
bad.
need to fix the chicken.
It doesn't sound bad.
Oh.
What?
We have the file still. Oh.
My file?
Yeah.
You might have to restart it. Like, just restart the.
I don't know if I still have it because I reset the computer, remember?
Oh!
We'll figure it out.
It's okay. What's. Man. Go. Go. That's not bad, guys. That's not bad. That's not bad. I don't know what I expected. I didn't. This guy was supposed to. I know you're supposed to move it.
Oh shit, you're right.
This guy. It's stalled out. It's stalled. No, hombre. You don't know how to drive it.
Drive away. Really nice.
Okay, drive away.
Not right now, 'cause I don't want to change it. They'll stay with me in it.
No,
Once you get it out, I'll drive a little over to you.
no, just drive away.
Because I'll spray it from the car, bro.
Just turn it. Perfect. Dang. That's my car, guys. That's my car. And that's with no cam.
That was insane.
That's with no cam. I think it only
Literally insane.
that only burbles because I think there's like too much fuel to air ratio.
Yeah, it's definitely a lot more fuel. There's a lot more flow out.
Yeah.
Car, it still has cats, right? Or no?
No, broski.
Oh, no, it doesn't.
Guys, look, I'm gonna show you my exhaust. It's open. We haven't done it where it's welded down yet, but I mean, I think my, what is this, my diff
That's like
my
the
diff?
heat cover, heat shield.
Yeah, it looks good. Anyways, guys,
Is it still, is it like dark under there? Like, is it dirty now?
no.
Okay.
Let me see.
Well, I'm tired, bro.
No, nothing. It's pretty
How's the
good.
tires keeping up?
It's badass. I drove it in a thunderstorm.
Oh, it's still got a good trail on this thing.
Yeah, I don't slip in the rain.
That's
Funny enough, I don't, even though they're kind of sleek.
Mine are slicks at this point. I did too much shit. I did a lot too much.
Yeah, but it's chill. Yeah, I can't wait for my
Headlights. bro.
headlights, get some new tail lights. Next big purchase is the stall, so we could start the cam process. We're going with a 3600 Yank converter.
Yank?
Yank. Which is the same one that the C5 has. Oh! Guys, we haven't sold it yet. It's still there. Why are we being sad?
I'm just sad when it's gone, but it's okay.
Think so?
Sometimes you gotta.
I wasn't sad when we sold the MR2.
The MR2 was different, bro. Like, I don't think y'all did much of the MR2 at all.
I fell asleep
Besides breaking
in
it.
I fell asleep in it because Jeremy was bleeding the clutch. You know what's crazy? Jeremy knows how to work on a manual car. He just doesn't know how to drive a manual car.
It's crazy.
Okay.
So the more you know.